Biofilms are social communities of bacteria and include dental plaque on your teeth and slime that lives down the plug hole. Bacteria are small, single-celled organisms that you can't see with the naked eye. To see them, you need a microscope. But together, they can do amazing things, like form a biofilm. There are many different species of bacteria in the world, and they come in diverse shapes, from football shapes to corkscrew shapes and rod shapes. Like us, bacteria need food to grow, and some species of bacteria have propellers called flagella to help them swim towards a good source of food. When bacteria find a good place to live, they do not live alone. They prefer to live with other bacteria and form a biofilm, a form of social community. But how do bacteria form a biofilm? To form a biofilm, bacteria grow and divide on a surface. They communicate with each other and divide tasks to groups of the bacteria in the growing biofilm. For example, some bacteria might be responsible for making building materials to make the biofilm stable, others for providing food or for defending the biofilm from attack. Different species of bacteria live together. They grow and multiply on a surface and make a sticky glue called the biofilm matrix. This matrix surrounds the cells and helps them stick to surfaces and protects them. The matrix is made from DNA, proteins, and large sugars called carbohydrate. When bacteria live in a biofilm, they are protected from the environment. For example, they can be resistant to antibiotics and can evade the body's immune system. This makes bacteria living in biofilms more robust than their free-living cousins. From our perspective as humans, biofilms can be bad or good. Let's look at why they can be bad. Bacteria form biofilms on your teeth. It is called plaque. We all know how hard it can be to remove plaque, but if we don't, it can cause tooth decay. In the home and in factories, biofilms can grow so big they clog pipes. This can be expensive to remove and can also rust the pipes they are growing in. In the human body, biofilms are the cause of the majority of persistent infections. They can form on surgical implants or in the lungs of people with a genetic disease called cystic fibrosis. These infections are hard to treat with antibiotics because of the biofilm matrix. On the positive side, we can make use of the power of bacteria living in biofilms. Every day, biofilms in our gut help digest the food we eat, and they can also protect us from invading pathogens by living in places like our noses. Biofilms can also be used to break down sewage, generating clean drinking water, and have potential as alternatives to chemical fertilizers as they can protect plants from pathogens and help plants grow. For all of these reasons, scientists around the world study biofilms with the goal of being able to promote or prevent their formation. This animation was commissioned as part of the BBSRC Great British Bioscience Festival. You can learn more about the festival by visiting www.bbsrc.ac.uk/GB-BioSciFest. And to find out more about biofilm research at the University of Dundee, visit www.lifesci.dundee.ac.uk/MMB.